Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Robyn with Robyn's Southern Nest. So today I'm creating a tablescape for Valentine's Day. We're not having anybody over, but I just thought it would be fun to put a table together to give you some ideas for your friends and family if you are celebrating this year. A lot of these items that you'll see I did pick up from the Dollar Tree, including these cups and doilies. I'm just going to fill these up with candy to place at each setting. I also wanted to create a fun little garnish for our champagne flutes. So I just took some sticks with these gold beads on them, strung on some gummy hearts, and then just placed them over top of the glassware just to create a fun little garnish for the champagne flutes. As you saw earlier, I made a fun little DIY table runner just using some craft paper along with some white paint, and I just painted X's and O's, and that is going to be the base of our table. So right now I'm just placing some chargers, some gold chargers that I got from Dollar Tree. Like I said, a lot of this stuff I just pick up from Dollar Tree if I'm doing a quick little tablescape. Yeah, so anytime I'm doing a tablescape, I do try to go to the Dollar Tree to see what they have for the holiday season, but they also have some really good staples like glassware, votives, candles, chargers, all sorts of things. So I like to hit that up first before going anywhere else when I'm doing a tablescape. And I love to create layers with each place setting. So I typically do a charger, a plate, I do the napkin on top, another plate. I also put a little cute heart doily on top. And then on each place setting, I'll put the cup of candy as well. And as you'll read in my blog, if you want to read more about this tablescape, you'll notice that I found like the perfect millennial pink napkins to go for this table. I swear I manifested them overnight. I was thinking about them in bed. I'm like, I'd really love to get some, napkins that match the table, that are cloth and nice looking. And lo and behold, we went into an antique store after lunch one day, and there they were. Actually, it was a set of 8 and a tablecloth for $7, you guys. So always be on the lookout for those types of things because you can definitely use these down the road. And as you can see, Mr. Sunny D is along for the routine of filming. He just loves to make an appearance. He loves to see what his mama is doing. So yeah, that's always fun to see him in my videos, even though sometimes when I'm filming, I don't even realize he's there because I'm just so focused in the moment. So lastly, I'm going to add in some drinking glasses just for water. I just love a nice full tablescape. Just all these small details do really add up when you're creating this look. And for the centerpiece, I used a candelabra, but I did not want to use real tapers up there because it is very close to our chandelier. So another option is to use battery operated tapers. That way you're not worried about your house going up in flames. So lastly, I'm just going to add in some real tapers and votives and call it a day. Another easy way to create little place settings or name cards is to get little mini frames from Dollar Tree. I just used some pink construction paper along with a metallic gold pen, and maybe you can see who I actually invited over for this little Valentine's Day get together. Let me know in the comments who your favorite friend is. And if you've made it to the end of this video, you truly are a rock star, and I appreciate you guys following along. I hope you've enjoyed this Valentine's Day get-together virtually, and I hope you guys have a great Valentine's Day weekend. Love you guys, and thanks for flying by. You can also read more details over on my blog at robynssouthernnest.com. Bye, y'all!